Hello and welcome to my channel. Unfortunately, my girlfriend's away on holiday, so I have to cook for myself today. So what I've decided to do is sausage roll and chips. Homemade sausage rolls. Let's go. I'll show you how I do it. Okay, so here are all my ingredients. I have my pastry roll here, I have an egg, I have my meat, I have milk, and I just have some kind of herbs and spices, but with sausage roll you can use your own. I also have salt and pepper, and I'll put them in as I go. So, first thing we want to do is roll out our pastry. You can find these in any supermarkets. First thing I'm going to do is put in my meat. Put in some whatever herbs and spices you want. This one I'm going to put in some sage, a bit of curry. Yeah. Salt, some pepper, aha, lovely. Some of that. And I'm just going to mix the herbs into the meat. Like so. From here, I'm just going to try and roll it a little bit. I want to stretch it out to this kind of length here. Oh, perfect. The next thing I want to do is cut it. I want to give myself plenty of room so I can overlap it. As you can see, I've left myself plenty of room at this side as well. So I'm going to cut it around here. And I'll just fold it over the top like so. And push down the ends here. And I'll put you this way. Put in a few little holes. I'm going to whisk my egg. This will go over the top of my sausage roll and it will give it some colour when it's cooking. As we put in just a little drop of milk. This seems to make it stick better. There we go. It takes a minute. And I just want to put it over the top. What I will do now is I will just cut this little piece off here. Now my baking tray is ready. I just put some margarine over the top of it here. And my cooker is set at around 220. And that's it, ready to go. And into the oven it goes. There we go. I'll keep it in there for 12 to 15 minutes. While I'm waiting for my sausage rolls to cook, I'm going to make some homemade chips as well. After 15 minutes in the oven, it's looking good. So now, see how we're doing. Simple little top there. Wow, that's pretty big. I just let that sit now for 5 minutes. Well, because this sausage roll is super big, I'm only going to take half of it. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give me a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Take care.